10 Best Hospitals in London. From all around the world, folks troop to London to access the best medical care. Indeed, there are the world's best hospitals in the city doing great to fulfil the purpose for which they were established. Among the hallmarks of great hospitals are first-class care, first-class research, and first-class innovation. This video takes a look at the 10 best hospitals in London. They're consistent in all factors mentioned earlier as identifiers of great hospitals in the world. That's why they consistently attract people from the world over and provide them with the best outcomes. Interestingly, the hospitals listed here are among the best in the world. Please follow along as we delve deeply into the analysis of these best hospitals. 10. Royal Free Hospital. Located on Pond Street, this hospital, Royal Free Hospital, was among the 2,300 hospitals in over 28 countries ranked by Newsweek. In the study that compared the hospital's performances regarding patients' perception of their quality of life while in the hospital and their functional well-being, Royal Free Hospital makes the list of the top 250 global hospitals. Scoring 73.33%, it is the 25th best hospital in the UK and 10th best in London. The hospital offers a wide range of acute and specialist services. Each year, it carries out hundreds of kidney and liver transplants. It also cares for people with leukemia and other various types of cancers, including breast, colon, kidney, liver, lung, pancreatic, skin, and neuroendocrine tumours. Royal Free Hospital is a specialist centre that handles vascular surgery, haemophilia, amyloidosis, and infectious diseases. It is home to one of the 2 high-level isolation units in the whole of the UK. 9. St Mary's Hospital. In the 9th position of the 10 best hospitals in the UK is St Mary's Hospital. On the list of the UK's best hospitals, it's the 22nd best with a score of 74.66%. The hospital located on Praed Street is the major acute hospital in northwest London. It is also a maternity centre with services led by consultants and midwives. It provides care across an extensive range of specialties, running one of 4 major trauma centres in London, apart from its accidents and emergency department operating 24/7. At St Mary's Hospital, there are facilities catering to the needs of almost all kinds of patients, regardless of their interests and backgrounds. It has a coffee cafe on the ground floor. Cash point isn't far from the cashier's office, and both are conveniently located. For religiously inclined people, there's a chapel and a prayer room. 8. The Royal London Hospital. The Royal London Hospital is also on the list of the best among the UK hospitals. Scoring 76.44% on the metrics used in this and that rankings, this internationally renowned teaching hospital is also one of the largest children's hospitals in the UK. Its air ambulance is one of the largest in London. In addition to being the leading trauma and emergency care centre in the city, it also provides leadership in treating hyperacute stroke and in caring for dental and oral health. The hospital offers overnight accommodation for relatives of patients on admission or those attending the hospital for regular treatment. Those who have to travel a long way can be provided with facilities prior to their appointment, as it is with those coming from a great distance for complex investigations or treatments not requiring admission. 7. London Bridge. London Bridge Hospital is proud to be part of HCA Healthcare UK. With a score of 76.46, it's the 13th best hospital in the UK and the 7th best in London. It is one of the UK's leading cardiovascular centres with experienced consultants who have pioneered techniques of treatments such as the transcatheter aortic valve implantation, TAVI, and personalised external aortic root support, PEARS, procedure. It is also a private hospital with first-class services and patient amenities. Its beautiful surroundings, caring staff, and immediate access are also among the reasons for rating it so high. Patients here have access to private ensuite bedrooms, AC, an on-site pharmacy, and a physiotherapy gym, among others. Its orthopaedic and spinal services are unrivaled. 6. King's College Hospital. With a score of 77.19%, King's College Hospital comfortably occupies the 6th position on this list and 9th on the list of the best hospitals in the UK. You can't possibly ignore the support system of the hospital. If a patient or a visitor needs help in talking to someone or locating somewhere within the hospital, there's always an empathetic health worker to speak with. Language isn't a barrier to communication for those with a modest or no knowledge of English. The hospital has experienced translators and interpreters who can be called upon to assist any who needs their service. Such one can feel more comfortable with doctors and nurses and will be able to express themselves in full. 5. Chelsea and Westminster Hospital. The 5th on the list of the 10th best hospitals in London is Chelsea Hospital. It has several centres across London rendering various services. In totality, the hospital has a score of 80.71 to make the 9th position on the list of the UK best. Chelsea and Westminster Hospital offers a wide range of specialist and general hospital services. It has 2 main hospital sites, namely Chelsea and Westminster Hospital and West Middlesex University Hospital. Its services include award-winning sexual health clinics. Its accident and emergency or A&E unit and intensive care unit, the ICU, include UCC and children's service. Its craniofacial surgery has no equal in the country. The hospital has also been given an award for excellence in dermatology and dentistry, as it has in ear, nose and throat ENT care. 4. St Bartholomew's Hospital. With a score of 82%, St Bartholomew's Hospital offers world-class clinical services across Barts Health to East London and beyond. The population of about 2.5 million people are those who rely on their services for their healthcare needs. The hospital operates an air ambulance available for emergency referrals. It's leading in the treatment of alcohol-related liver disease or hepatology. Its antenatal care has a commendable synergy with the paediatric unit, which also handles children's asthma, paediatric respiratory. Because of its skillful use of anticoagulation, it's one of the best in haematology. That makes it one of the best centres for non-blood surgery. It's the UK's oldest hospital, as it has been operating for over 900 years. In addition to cancer care, the hospital provides several other services like endocrinology and respiratory. 3. Guy's Hospital. Located on Great Maze Pond, Guy's Hospital has a very big complex, including Guy's Tower, which is one of the world's tallest hospital buildings. With almost all sorts of medical practices, a patient may not really need to be referred once he gets to Guy's Hospital. The 400-bed major elective centre in South London has a score of 82.99%. It has a specialist centre for cancer, kidney, urology, orthopaedics, dental and ENT. These, however, aren't all of its services. The hospital has a state-of-the-art cancer centre providing various services in treating a wide range of cancers. It has also carried out a lot of groundbreaking research and clinical trials that have helped improve cancer treatments and outcomes. Guy's Tower is part of the hospital's medical school. Named the GKT School of Medical Education, it serves as the site of many dedicated clinical research facilities. The hospital also houses the largest dental school in Europe. 2. University College Hospital. The University College Hospital is the second best hospital in both London and the UK, with a score of 87.66%. It's located on Euston Road. It's not far from Warren Street and Euston Square tube stations. It's a relatively new hospital, as it was officially opened in October 2005 by the Queen. It's within walking distance of Euston Railway Station. Services offered at the hospital include accident and emergency, hyperacute stroke treatment, cancer care, endocrinology, critical care, general surgery, ophthalmology, dermatology, general neurology, rheumatology, orthopaedics, general medicine, paediatric and adolescence, and urology. 1. St Thomas's Hospital. The best hospital in not only London but also in the whole of the UK for now is St Thomas's Hospital. Scoring the highest grade of 89.40%, the large hospital located on Westminster Bridge Road boasts the best of the world-class service. Patients admitted to the hospital and their loved ones can feel at home thanks to their cosy cafes and restaurants with delicious tastes. The hospital has a medi-cinema so that those patients and their relatives can still have some kind of entertainment in the form of enjoying the latest film while at the hospital. For a patient, a nurse must sign off a ticket so that the medi-cinema manager can be sure such a patient is well enough to see the film. Before we conclude, let's inform you that we want to hear from you. We're interested in your thoughts about this video. Please let this conversation continue in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.